Today I'm going to teach you how to sum filtered data in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you're working with large data sets and need to calculate totals that automatically adjust based on whatever filters you apply, giving you accurate results without manual recalculation. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your Google Workspace dashboard where all your documents and spreadsheets are stored. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to work with filtered data. This opens your Google Sheet and brings you into the main editing interface where you'll be performing all the necessary steps. Now, the first thing you need to do is select the data you want to work with. Click and drag to highlight the entire range of data that you'll be filtering and summing. Once your data is selected, look toward the top toolbar and you'll see a filter icon. It typically looks like a funnel shape. Click on this icon to apply a filter to your selected data. You'll notice small drop-down arrows appear in the header row of your data, which indicates that the filter has been successfully applied. Next, click on any empty cell where you want your sum to appear. This is where we'll enter the formula that makes everything work. Type equals subtotal, open parenthesis. Now, here's the key part. Add the number 9, which is the function number that tells Google Sheets to sum your data. Follow that with a comma, then select the range of data you want to sum by clicking and dragging over those cells. Once you've selected your range, close the formula with a closing parenthesis and hit the Enter key. The subtotal function is special because unlike a regular sum formula, it only calculates visible cells, which means it automatically adjusts when you apply filters. Now let's test this to see it in action. Click on the filter icon in your product column header. You'll see a drop-down menu appear with all the unique values in that column. For this example, uncheck all the product B entries to hide them from view, then click OK. This applies the filter and hides those rows from your spreadsheet. Here's where the magic happens. Look at the cell containing your subtotal formula, and you'll notice that the sum has automatically changed to reflect only the visible filtered data. This means you're now seeing the sum of only the products that remain visible, excluding all the product B entries you just filtered out. If you change the filter again or remove it entirely, the sum will update instantly to match whatever data is currently visible. And there you have it. You've successfully created a dynamic sum that automatically adjusts based on your filters. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.